Hello everyone, this is Tejaswini from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today my topic is about semiconductor laser. Firstly, let us know the definition of it. A semiconductor laser is a small efficient laser device that uses a semiconductor chip to produce a beam of light. This is the diagram of semiconductor laser. This is the energy band diagram of it. Let us know the construction of it. Gallium arsenide laser is a single crystal of gas consists of heavily doped N-type and P-type. This diode is very small in size, sides of order 1 millimeter. The width of the junction varies from 1 to 100 micrometer. The top and bottom surfaces are metallized and ohmic contacts are provided for external connection. The front and rear faces are polished. The polished faces functions as the resonant cavity. The other two faces are roughened to prevent the lasing action in that direction. This is the working of it. The energy band diagram of heavily doped PN junction is as shown. At the thermal equilibrium, the Fermi level is uniform. Because of very high doping on N side, the Fermi level is pushed into the conduction band and the electrons occupy the portions of the conduction band that lies below the Fermi level and, and P side, the Fermi level lies within the valence band and holes occupy the portions of the valence band that lies above the Fermi level. A suitable forward bias is applied to overcome the potential barrier. As a result, electrons from N region and holes from P region injected into the junction. The current begins to flow, following which there will be a region in the junction in which the population inversion can be achieved. Initially, concentration of the electrons in the energy level at the bottom of the conduction band will be less than that of energy levels at the top of the valence band, so that the recombination of the electrons and holes results only in the spontaneous emission, then junction works as lead. When the current exceeds the threshold value, population inversion is achieved in the active region, which is formulated in the junction. At this stage, the photons emitted by spontaneous emission trigger stimulated emission over a large number of recombination, leading to build-up laser. Since the energy gap of the gallium arsenide laser is 1.4 electron volt, the wavelength of emitted light is 8440 Armstrong. This is the principle of it. When a PN junction diode is forward biased, the electrons from N region and holes from P region cross the junction and recombine with each other. During the recombination process, the light radiation is released from a certain specified direct band gap and semiconductor like gallium arsenide laser. This light radiation is known as the recombination radiation. The photon emitted during the recombination stimulates other electrons and holes to recombine. As a result, stimulated emission takes place, which produces laser. These are all the characteristics of it. First one is type. It is a solid state semiconductor laser. Active medium. A PN junction diode made from single crystal of gallium arsenide is used as an active medium. Next one is pumping method. The direct conversion method is used for pumping action. Next characteristic is power output. The power output from this laser is 1 milliwatt. Next one is nature of output. The nature of the output is continuous wave or pulsed output. Let us know the applications of it. Applications is nothing but uses. These are all some of the uses of it. There are so many other uses for this. It is widely used in fiber optic communication. It is used to heal the wounds by infrared radiation. It is also used as a painkiller. These are all the some of the uses. These are the advantages of semiconductor diode laser. It is very small in dimension. The arrangement is very simple and compact. It exhibits high efficiency. The laser output can be easily increased by controlling the junction current. It is operated with lesser power than ruby and carbon monoxide 2 laser. It requires very little auxiliary equipment. It can have a continuous wave output or pulsed output. These are all the disadvantages of it. It is difficult to control the mode pattern and mode structure of the laser. The output is usually from 5 degree to 15 degree, that is laser beam has large divergence. The purity and monochromacy are power than other types of laser. Thanks for watching.